Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to enable glove mode for high touch sensitivity on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first go into desk settings, then scroll down into special functions and find the gloves mode right here. Use this switch to switch between gloves mode, enable and disable, and when we enable it, it will just higher our phone touch sensitivity. If we're using gloves, then you may still touch anything. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.